Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, ooh, I be stacking. Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. So today is another hair review. This week is from ULAHAIR. This is how it came. Ooh, look at that packaging. Let's bring everything inside. Wow, that is the wig, and so many goodies came with it. You can see eyelash, hairband, a comb, and 2 wig cap. You can see all information in those cards, and that is the hair. Ooh, gorgeous. Hey, this hair is fab, okay? It is fab. This hair you see here, look at just the hairline. Look at the hairline. Oh, let me zoom for you guys to see. Let me zoom it so that you can see the hairline of this wig very, very well. Let's remove all those things that are attached to it, the net. We need to remove it and see the length of this wig is 20 inches. And look at the hairline. Oh, just look at the hairline. It came pluck. They pre-pluck the hairline for you, and this wig is 5x5 HD lace, wear-and-go glueless wig, and it's pre-pluck hairline, Precut HD lace. Oh my gosh, guys, this wig is and it is beginner friendly. Beginners friendly, and you guys know when it is beginners friendly, we are in for it because we don't need to stress ourselves. Just look at that hairline, just look at the lace. It's pre-cut already for you, okay? This wig is wear and go. It is wear and go. Look at the construction of the lace, look at the construction of the wig. Everything came with some combs. It came also with inbuilt adjustable strap. Yes, it came with inbuilt, is it detachable? It should be detachable adjustable strap. Sorry. Look at it, there is no shedding. Ooh, zero shedding from this hair. Zero. When I mean zero, it is zero shedding. Okay. You can see you can adjust that to the level you want. Even if your head is big, you don't have problem. Okay. Okay. You don't have problem because you can adjust that to any level that you want. And this hair is 20 inches. It is 3D air cap. Okay, 3D air cap. Let me wear the wig for you guys to see. I told you it is zero work needed. Zero work needed. And it is glueless. No one needs to waste time when it comes to installing wigs these days. You don't need to go to the salon. You don't need to spend another coin going to the salon after you get your wig before installing it. You just wear this and you are good to go. Look at the smile on my face wearing this wig. See the way the wig just transformed my face. And look at the hairline. Ooh, gorgeous. In case you want to buy this hair, let me tell you, I have good news for you. There is a discount code you will use. PHE. You will get $10 off. Okay, when you use that code PHE, you will get $10 off. I'm going to leave all details about this week on the description box. You guys know how we do it. You know how we rock. Okay, everything you need to know about this hair will be on the description box. So if you want to get it, make use of that discount code. Okay, you get $10 off. Look at it. Look at the hairline. I haven't even combed the hair. I haven't done anything. Look at it. It is glueless. 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 Just shine with this hair. Look at how smooth. Look at how smooth. I have not even straightened it. It is straight already. The way this is just bone straight. It's just like bone straight. This is bone straight, guys. I so much love this wig. I play with this wig. I love it because I just snatch it on and I'm good to go, because you don't need glue. Who use glues these days, especially summer, that glue will melt on you? That is why I appreciate this glueless wig. Okay, so all these are just formalities I'm doing using a wax stick. Even if you don't do this, you are good to go. You can just wear your wig and off you go. But never mind, I use a wax stick just to lay the flying hairs. There was no flying hair anyway. I just did that, then comb it. I tell you guys, I comb hell out of this hair. And I straighten it as well. Oh, I straighten it. If you see the way this hair is just going smoothly, effortless, you don't need to use force when you're straightening this hair, because the hair is so soft, succulent, it's so soft, it's so, I don't know how to put it. Don't forget that discount code. You will get $10 off your purchase. Okay, I just straighten the hair, doing it slowly, not using force, not like those hair that will refuse to like straight. You will use your force. This one, no, slow and steady, win the race. So that is it. I just go slowly and voila. I use my brush just to brush it. Look at how straight this hair is. Look at how gorgeous, how smooth. It's really smooth, and don't forget, it is glueless. So all information will be on the description box, so check it out if you are interested. Oh, baby.